Naniana became a moon as a rata, so master, I have written. One more tear from afar. Yes, Uncle Pon Shamron Yamugazie. And Tiacha, Yama cross you over. And Yaman in Sambaba. Arabamisuko Piemo Temaria breaking news, Bibu Boba. Denesi, Temukuchu. Haha. Hey, GFA elections, annual thing. Bonnie said GFA elections, no. Judge free a day, a year injunction, added to so. But elections, they cost what Temali. Allah la la. GFA elections no go so akoso. On himself FIFA for penny for. One more baby do Temalia. One more should be biaso at me kama. And the Johnny Life for Facebook. GFA elections no ye dia to so Facebook. Ni akoso Temalini ni ano. Johnny Live for Facebook. Yes, GFA elections no. Obo ni akoso one more. Mesinya is a crowd one more. GFA elections no. Live on Command Radio 97.1. Oko Facebook, YouTuber, DJs Gibia Daruma. And akoso one yano and easy. Hey, Nipenie. Wow. This is GFA lessons no. Oko Temalia John Live for Facebook. Mamunya kwenya hu ni akoso no monjane. Zigidi atoso. Enipa. Hey. Na denesi anipa no omo. Hey, aden. Wow. Eni zuba abeye ine yankwa manene. Messi breaking news BSC. Ewa Temali. Temukuju. Haruna Benyano. Bandra. Boys na mutie. Okuma Global Sports anapano. Osini adi bani senwana no. I got you say one next bet Taruma. And no sumi be sorry amene Oseba. I got you say one next bet. One money a care bet in the wall. One next bet. One next bet Taruma. And then me be sorry so boys no be diska. And Europa League matches one more. And then me be repair Arsenal. Mese Enra boys no mamuti okuma Global Sports anapano mudi matches mudi bet nini one next bet Tadaruma mesi mi be wia enna me all say ba 7 matches be ana menya ne 10 mamo 7 na menya ne 10 mamo na matches wo pa Europa League matches one more enna mesi mu be di bet one next bet. And no bedi bet. One nice bet. And no boys in the bet. One nice bet. And no. Okay, K Brown say. Okay, K Brown message me who was it? single room self-contained ewe kupasi yesem say wo bi won mo a edo kwa yenye bi chejire pa single room self-contained so bi won ma yenye bi Ibra na kasa no nyi ya ti wo bi pe no afre after the show between friends 0541 251492 0541 251492 a single room self-contained eno ne yepe ewe kropa se ya yenya mienu kra na nya bad take wo ni se na misumo ni se ya ende mesrao mamutie from afar mo kropa se na odan da hokwa a single room self-contained Nye big degree pa. Obetumi afre after the show 0541251492 0541251492 Nyeme ye yaza. Gaze frère. Me pon show na no afre. So odan ye da ho kwa. Na 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 na. Tie kanche ade be come ne. Na dia manne come dia ba. Live on Okuma Radio 97.1. Message here for Loshen Srigu Swa Kosu Gridi. Enya Isekra. Bella Santa Roma. Bella Kwa. Entianche. Ekeri ya bakoma nane. Nani ya koswa manene no. Odi abana bibia sweet me kama. I'm your live on Okuma Radio 97.1. Okay, okay, ya be na ya hwese betumi akopie mu otemalina na ye ko efio no moba no. Maka so say breaking news bi aba. Menton fama. Okay, anu ne tie okopie mu e wotemalia. Ye be ko amane so ne ye din komo. Ene chebe din komo na bo ne ye ko ene ne eba e won mo. Breaking news no anu ne the president of the Ghana Football Association Ukopiem ewa temalia. Yasanto ne swaba and this year Mr. Kets Ilso Kreku Wanom NIC ano where Geoffrey president and Yasanto ne swaba na sene siatia Ukopiema votina etimia toja 120 delegates and atuaba. Okay, I no. Okay. Nti ya ba fun in life. One mona yahwe ne yakɔ ne ba but eno ne 120 delegates and a woman etimi to aba Mr. Ket Iyoso Kreku wano enya 117 and a kopiema conform to no enti yes no 117 no L2 and also okopiema nipa ba kwa wamba baako enti 120 no yebetimi break di ama say Mr. Ket Iyoso Kreku and benefo as the idea on one and some BMT. Yara be funny life na yahwe ne ekɔ ene ne eba han me still life on Akoma Radio 97.1. Don't forget ese okopiema ewo emana fema Madam Gifty owari mensa wono so mpedifo hwe se womo ebetumi ato ne so aba ya no nko a na age na okopiemum ewo division 1 Mr. Mark Alto Samuel Alto Enim Eugene Nobo ni ara enso ekambe Gideon Fosum and opinion day edi Alexander ababio and way any division 1 ye se dama biano ye betumi miensa edi fionti atwen as ye betumi across over na yakakopie na yahwe ne yekoso ewo temale na bibia so no etumi kama na okopie ewo the executive council positioner saying na komano esiatie Hodmono, the 5 Premier League clubs esco position. Mr. Kingsley or say Bunsu. Nana Safo Drum, eke ne no. Fred Achi, Sasso Anna Anthony. Okay, yashe. Okay, nti yaba crossover na yakako piemo ewa temaleni ashe ni yako enenya eba ewa mti yanko. Okay. Yashe si bitimi aye na bibia so no. Etumi aye kama Mr. Raffo Teria eso ekame Amande so ekame Mr. James Kwesiapia Edmond Aka Saso an opinion din ade okopiema Ranford abe wono so etumi aboroma yehwe se dama biano yebetumi atoswaba ne ehu obi ebeye yasa enti wei okopiema GF elections todwa ewo temale. And you bet me a confirm say Mr. Ket Iyoso Kreku is yes or no yasa appointed no penifoko to abano delegate back 20 and a year yasa na ye no ni pass white and you more to no and in your hair the bodyguard on a bam this year also Odrana okay yanshe okay ti say dama de be betimi akọ temaleni akwa ni ekoso ehonmo han me still live on Akoma Radio 97.1 we Akoma Global Sports odu safo okay Zuba memo akwaba
yeah Zuba bibia boko still on the electoral elections are also at the Ghana Football Association. We elective Congress of the Ghana Football Association and also no voting started voting yeah. Where the executive council no, Premier League Premier League representatives so now I call the executive council no omodiano and then penifua also no eguso and so far Niamehu and it's Odro Safo. Miame of Odro Safo, and Odro Safo from Brekum Chelsea. And also, to me, a boy Rema and say jubilation of Ekoso, Yabeshana, yet me upper sound ni nyina de atum
Sure.
na amanfo nso atimi atie ne ɛkɔ so live from Tamale we at the Ghana Football Association elections. Yes, we GFA decides nti ya tena se ya nso yedi mu nkɔmɔ no nso no etumi area ba nti no super zen ya twetwe ma atwese be call live Tamale na ya nso no yatumi ade update no nso no etumi ade aba nti ɛno nti super yeah na yahwe na yetimi akota male won no yentwe I think say na kind kettle din Simon Okudia no on post enti no owura no etimi akwa no nipa dodo na atumi to aba na de masanso na gifty oware Mensa ono so no women's football representative no ono so etumi ewro mo executive council ono so ko on post na man na beto aba na 20 na man na beto aba na 20 enti no 20 no omo nyina to yes edemano madam gifty oware enti no omo nyina eto 20 ni nyina no enso etumi ede ema no omo to yes omo to yes edemano enti anonso nti no gifty oware mensa enso etumi agbawrem ti no anka obetumi abie afie no ayi no wo aha no ma nanka afie no ayi no nanka etima nti no gifty nso no etumi agbawrem say executive council member or president women's football enti no anonso ede enso eno no yahwese betumi call live from Tamale na afie nso no update awo no enonso yetumi area about Jumedi. So how your 97.1 GFA decides Ghana Football Association elections and then so get a updates, live updates no and so no etumi area bantin yanko Tamale na afin so no yanko tie nsema ba ku mienu efiri oba keta do Simon Okudia se na meka no de oko on post sanso na gifty aboaje mensa ono so ware ono so on post ono so nipa dodo na mama akoma ko 20 e bae no omunya ato yes enso no etumi ede amano ntinum yebekọ na afin so no yahwe se ebetuma bo awuram enso no Tamale na ye the updates na ba emu aiden papa ohwe nipa age na ma ya to omo so aba na ukopie mu the executive council no so a enya de a eno so izekwa enso no the executive council no enso so ye ji nipa mako 5 the film Premier League no na afin so matuma represent the executive council no enso no ho na uche nipa ewura mu from the Premier League side na Kingsley Osei Bontu Nana Safu Oduro Kum Chelsea Frederick Achampon Anthony Kwesi Oben Tony Oben Ransford Abe Randy Abe no onyina senso Edmond Kwabena Aka James Kwesi Apia Eloini Amande Anazin Raphael Tewia Dwamra Raf enso no enti ni nyina no so mo kan aba no
oh yes so mo kan aba no
mo kan enti no enti no no kasa na enti no enti e betwa na ewura mo live on Tamale enti ocha positions here wa the executive council nipa free mo for the Premier League I represent and you know, I can't say executive council no so for me said none of them to judge say me am offer Nana Oduro Safu de Bewuram na afin so Tony Obin so bewuram me bompa say me godfather Randy Abe enso bewuram na ne aka no ana ebe dem yenu na aka no wo James Mayele Kwesi Apia Raf
me so no so ti obia
yes Kwesi Apia e wo no ma ano so ye kan aba na aba no zuba mu ade bi mu sire bi mu na mo anim ni ya abato de sa ba ko ade be wini waza amfa na bo say delegate fear delegate na ne amamfo ebe fear delegate pa enti ano so enti no monitor bi ya kama so monitor bi ya
so ba me monitor we no na pese ye kekeleke
say
obobo soda
o de yenko kakra na ntwese ne a ono so tie feeling no ane ade na tie say pressure wo mo kan manfo de ne a ne sa na ade na ya say the update no and so ba ntino ogusu tie command 97.1 Ghana FA decides GFA decides anom ana ne ya so tie a yenso yetimi ade ba nam sana super kan no
super o de enhwe ne ehwe say betumi akwa aba
okay
box no box Ebiana camera is in from channel box this in box no me no see 50 no ntino baby obe pf no ho multi ballot we paper no e dia ma delegate no multi ballot paper na ma paper na wadan wa fechu box
So the 9 candidates, Monina Asenso had 7 votes. So we go to the last candidate, Eloy Amande.
Social media channels.
Nothing. 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 2. Four.
Because stomach, you two are banning na
5.
get used to play como can I do 100. There's 100 that's mapper.
6.
Yeah, what you say, game changer,
Nothing.
game changer. Until you sure say if you are because then I'm a ID
Nothing.
our representative for Premier League, you know, and then representative is so our division one so I bet trust. Until you are and son and you know, everybody
Nothing.
so other rep na mo pay position almost so Monsaka position
8.
Saka position there not just say any journey they be so papa.
Nothing.
Global Dreams Hotel one and
9.
Conference hall. It's a background of say part of the BPR, Nibia sound by BPR, Nibia. Say about to
So please, can I have your indulgence, please?
other things are going to me and reporting now.
So
and social media channels.
The candidates, I'm not going to mention in order of preference. I'm just going to mention the
Okuma Radio 97.1.
So in other
Okuma Radio 97.1.
had 8 votes. Anthony Kwesi Oben had 7 votes. Kingsley Osebonsu had 9 votes. Nana Sapo drew 10 votes. Ransford Abbey had 4 votes. James Kwesi Appiah had 10 votes. Onyina Asenso 7 votes. Lawyer Monday 9 votes. As stated, we elect 5. Okay. So we'll create an indulgence that will give it.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Or some is tie, we may have to do another round.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Okay, nti still Ukopima, the executive council member for the Ghana Premier League, no, and on a still Yegusua Yeshe near ko enemy eba. It seems like Ukopima delegates outdoor womo eto ya abano edema womo nipano nearby and say it seems like Aboboso and almost sound kwakoto second one. To almost sound kwato second one, no, and then come akra. Ukopiem Temalia Eba Edi Emergency for life on Okuma Radio 97.1 and the election for a year 5 ESCO members for the Ghana Premier League and as to Yegusu Ayeshe said Diebe PM with you or the Abano and before can we Ebu Bosso one more Eshe Esa one more ebe to me Aqua Koto a year for one more na Yehunia call and eba ewon ti Zuba no eboboso esco de no empenifo ye yiwie no eboboso
yes yeah sure say results ni ba
yes
because in sane akọ mo de no boboso no mo san go mo ko tubiem you ko tubiem because say omunya 5
yes
5 and for me I was suggesting say onya highest no yen nyina nchen
for now say kwesi apia
is onya 10 votes
yes into ono say no ko
Randy Abe nso nya
12 into kwesi apia Randy Abe wo eko yes omo eko and in conform nya 77 hono na ebobo so omo penipa bako 5 yes omo penipa bako 5 the elections in the super ade anu den anu ade anu den papa senior me mo akwa ba
Raja
yanhwe keto kreku ya sa to ne so aba
oh na we si won to no so aba Raja echi eti ofu na we ya to no so aba wo to no so aba ede ye mi so no pa no intino ye mi se ba ko ma yansa so e kan ye se onu ada so ye gina mu intino why are they but near be because ya Raja mention antiasi ewo abanya woto no because dey na make say I am say Kate Mereso no am say one fa court on yahwe tell me ntiase me hu na nti because about to injunction that so court ya court to say on the 12th na ye be san ye be for hearing ya de ye be ko ti mu nsem but ye court ya to asem na sheda but ye to aba no the same thing happen to a football no ye football no what injunction to so the same thing ye boy and be mentiase me say now when the GFN is above the Ghana law and I say one fa Ghana mrano enye because me hu nti ya injunction da adeso na we see on the 12th ye ba ko kan asem na asem kwa ye kan na ye to so yaba because aba nso nti na ye de ko court nti ama ne ma minim ne ye ko so but I say get the you know autonomous no can be an na ye wo but e ba san so ye be ha Ghana football no me me aban wadi de many problem but sa wa no penny ade a medwuno ho ya menti ase ni ti ese ba ne sa
senior meba enima do kasa yentie komo crowd ye tudwa
successful program you know that God will let it happen and everybody
to an election that I've seen so many people not tensed as compared to 2019. What could be accounting for that?
for everybody has somebody has somebody so people know who they have. There wasn't that you know the announced time there was some gap.
Yes.
So that's the difference.
Are you confident of retaining your seat?
The channel
Please. Give out the text for speaking to us. So we would be going back to the electoral body. They are ready now. So
ranking. We're going to continue.
So yeah, a second football club, Kwabena AJB is here with us. Kwabena, how do you find the electoral process?
So far so good. You know, football people travel all the way from Pioneer to come and vote for their reps, especially
to you, but they are doing the ranking, so let's see what happens. Just stand more quickly.
Have 11 votes. For the posted position, we have two candidates. Both with 10 votes. Odro with 10 votes. And James
Akoma Radio 97.1.
Kwesi Apia with 10 votes. So we have
4 so far. For the fifth person, represent the premiership on the Executive Council,
we still had a tie.
we had simply
Say Bonsu having 9 votes.
Akoma Radio 97.1.
9 votes. So we're going to have a
stand up because the fifth person premiership club was a tie. So we're going to have a round-off between
Bonsu and Eloy Amande. So
Akoma Radio 97.1.
okay enti easy super senes yete Frederick Achi enya 11 votes so ena Mr. Ruff enya 7 Edmond Aka okopiema wono enya 8 votes Saso and a Dr. Oben enya 7, Kingsley Osei enya 9, Odo Safu enya 10, Randy Abe enya 12, Kwesi Appiah enya 10. Saso and a Kopiema lawyer Mandy nya aye 9 one more. So it really tell and a Master Sansunya 7. So it really tells you say yes. Send this here Okopiema Randy Abe eba first. Fred Achi ebeto sumienu eba benya 11 votes. Yes, said according to how we see it here. And now Kopiema Kwesi Appiah wano enya 10. Mr. Eye Kingsley say dabi Odo Safu sunya 10. Enti isiano Tina Baba ye between opinion din ede Eye Kingsley say and also opinion din ede Eye Amande nti eno na isia we na Baba ye nti omo Baba to Eye Amande and also Eye Mr. Kingsley Osei Bonsu na yenya obia wano eba beka Eye the 4 na Baba ye 5 na yehu ne yakọ enenya eba ewo no nti weni hawa okopiemum ewo Eye GFA elections edema eye escono style AC etie ewo hormo enti ano ne nkoma akra busia ebobo eba senior
yo Raja I'm say yedi kande first one no abawie se ne yeka no enti no se e hwe won qualify na otimi se ewasi nya 9 and I say nya 5 it say ni nya 4 nti aka 1 e ba be ka ho nti wo hwe won a wonya 77 na won na say yes am ba to won so abai
omo munya 9 no yes omo munya 9 no
yes
see say yenya 4
yeah
yenya 4 nti omo munya 9 no ene ya ba be to ba omo mienu so aba na ya ba be ka na ye 5 na ye hwie
9 ye ba ku
9 ye 2
Tuba A2 Iloni Amande.
Yes.
Ana Kingsley Osei Bonsu 9.
Yes.
And so far one qualify and as yet to my election on A4.
A4.
Randy Abe. Fred Achi.
Yes.
Odo Safo and Kwesi Appiah.
Kwesi Appiah.
And now it's between Kingsley Osei Bonsu and Iloni Amande.
Yes.
Omo mi no yakwa koto
omo so aba.
Omo mi no pe.
Because omo mi 9.
Okay. Because which results now the highest no Randy Abe.
Yes.
On 12. Sansona no Fred Achi enya 11 Oduro Safo miame wofa enya 10 ana ene Kwesi Appiah mayeli enso enya 10 so what you say amunso no enya 10 into super osha sena me kan Randy Abe 12 Fred Achi 11 Oduro Safo 10 Kwesi Appiah 10 into almost 4 na dey ituma elect say executive council members now Kingsley Osei Bonsu enya 9 Iloni Amande enya 9 Edmond Aka enya 8 Onyena Asensu nya 7 Anthony Kwesi Obeng enya 7 Ana Ralph Jamra enya 7 It's super bebesanga o check the previous executive council members na mame na yentwa omo mutumi retain ani omo mafrimu but o hwe ne yawa hana Randy Abe ya retain no
sure
Fred Achi ya retain no Oduro Safo ya retain no ete 3 no ya retain omo new entrance abano Kwesi Appiah. And super for me, there will be another new entrant. Kingsley Osei Bonsu. Ana Iloni Amande. 99. Tony Oben was part of the executive council previously. Super, we're free. Onya 7, we're free. Sansuna, Ralph Jamra. Ralph no press obeba amfa. But a surprise that super ewomu edemameno I went to man qualify amba. Anthony Oben and also Edmond Aka. Edmond Aka. Edmond had 8 votes.
Yes.
When to me Anthony Oben, Kwesi Oben.
Yes.
Previous administration, he was part of the executive council. Onya 7 Tuba.
It means Nejuma shut down so.
Nejuma na nkonkan. But you can say Nejuma nkonkan ya. No more work a collective thing. Executive council now one and you know baba ko na ye adwuma the executive council so and the benefit say Tony Oben adwuma nkon kan ti atoatia na ma ne nko bi ma then now some can affected the previous people so what you say answer any and now Oduro Safo me offer he was part of the previous executive council Fred Achi was also part and Randy Abe 12 for Randy Abe to top this election, Executive Council on the Premier League side, and no man in your 12 and tells you Zampa individually in the modern more can because there were Timabua. I'm a Pando out of Lions about the Premier League anymore. For over so many years in here. But I'm Pando out of Lions, I then about Premier League anymore. Samson, Fred Achi.
Okay.
We all saw some of the propagandas and so surrounding Fred Achi any idea man focus in the morning monk and so any so for me to be honest, I'm being honest. You can individual performance send a be a yediama Randy Abe so out of Lions now. Fred Achi is also part of Obuasi Ashanti Gold. And Azuba Meboa.
Sure.
Obuasi Ashanti Gold.
Yes.
Say Nimu Awon Ganjiri Mizi Nim.
Zuba, he was part.
Onone Black Meteors. Black Meteors. A management committee chairman. The performance of Black Meteors as a committee chairman and it is a management committee chairman is saying we failed woefully. We failed woefully. Our year AFCON last year. We couldn't qualify to the Olympic Games. Meanwhile, he was the executive and as a Black Meteors management committee chairman. And intimate na nipa ni biya ka say anka yen to aba ntia no mema yen fa ni nkobiem. But today we benya 11 votes. What this second ewom. So that's here.
Yes.
Oduro Safo. Ono de me am ofa yen kwa no ko.
Yes.
Yen fa no de achire. Me ofa no. Brekum Chelsea. And even with Oduro Safo no kwa Zuba. Uche George Akwesi free. Nipa ni be no say the forms no. Na Brekum Chelsea president for Brekum Chelsea.
Yes.
Our George Akwesi free. We endorsing the forms. Meanwhile, the CEO for Brekum Chelsea no, our Kate. Nti ono no on Brekum Chelsea for na nkomo. But for Bro Safo to also come in no. I feel say nipa ni bi feel say yetumenya ye
Zuba ya nkofa we kakraba de yakoso wono bra.
So 1.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
2.
Okuma
3.
Radio 97.1.
4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. We go to Eloy Amande. Two. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. So at the end of voting, we had 9 votes. So we'll go straight to your statue.
Radio 97.1.
Hello. So, per the 2019 GFA statutes, it says that when there is a tie twice, then the election is deferred for that position. So we are not going to vote again for that position. At your next, we'll call for next Congress time we meet, then we'll put in that vote. Okay? So we're done for the premiership. The fifth person election is deferred per your strategy. So we're moving straight to Division 1. Moving straight to Division 1. We'll empty the box and continue. Thank you very much.
And the Oko PMO ewo first one papa no ne 99 as the song sound 2 biom no isiano asan be 99 per 2019 GFA wamo status committee per the omo edeba no so omo 2 elections na say election the first one draw second one draw ajomo congress bioma ansana wamo ebetansia wamo ebeto entisiano as it stands now no yeni obi a wababeka 4 people wamo erini GFA ESCO Premier League no enti nyame aduna so mo congress a hono no mesanto no megino yi ni pako obabeka the 4 people hu na abo na bia so no etumi akama suba enti say ne nkomo a eboeba ewo hono.
Yes, to super things say omo amomra if they can determine the other winner to join the 4 now omo amomra so on is almost it's almost and on is amomra zombet na wana and samra we say I don't know but edu baby mra na yempe alternatives we should think about this on the my classical example the MPP presidential elections omo na omo the guidelines by say go to abano na same numbers ninya and I say paya ebeko another runoff so I say we no ma ye omo ye ni sa sada na we die no me ka na die you and ya no ma san akọ runoff na san apai into na things say bia omo fanche bia next week baby no mo ka so mo twen for another congress zuba ye October November afina kwenewe another congress will be next year.
Yes,
so I say but say na me ka no mo mra omo amfani omo na omo twa for me onipa ne de I am a de ne ogusu fight Elioni Amande Zuba ye ni wa fam na bebre from journalist eba the days with TV3 ewuram Karela na ni issues eba Karela ne ade ma no twen ho every club ne ade ne nyina no Zuba and say Elioni Amande ebezo wuram our the Ghana Football Association Executive Council for him to take that step alone no plus and so no Edemano taking that step alone plus and so them Edemano but me say me China me bomb buy me ngase Kingsley lose and also be winning but say Elioni Amande ewurama ebe me de because in some adwuma no Zuba waye bi anaso gusu nsɛmtwerɛ ni nsɛm na ɔte the other side as nsɛmtwerɛ ni no ka ɛdefa ye football no ho no ene obewurama me expect say sansam na ɔka ye no ebe ye adwuma ene tena me bomb by so bewuram ye ho nsɛmtwerɛ ni a ɔno esei ɔyɛ communication director Ghana Football Association. Now he is rather fighting journalist.
Yes.
I remember the days that one of our sister stations, Star FM, we saw video lambasting question Antechi after say a call World Cup by asking for the World Cup money, near Yere Babe, any idea. But then ye could be standing administration say, and they Keto Kreku, and a Prosper Senado, Macado, and Henry Asante Chum, administration, World Cup sick idea, and idea, and ought to be my idea attempt, any idea, senior man, I give him that maximum respect. But Sana ye canon, yet see a tyranny can send be, nay, nipa de 2 minutes my ye making sure say best, sir, Adiana na ye can say enco ye be correct no near ye. And now Elioni Amande, journalist. What you may prove in Osampa, a Juma bit to my wa be jina manya to no so ba akọ first round 9 apai second round asan apai bi am any to the aseda it tells us a man for no panel on executive can come on panel and come in finche
by right me find it very difficult to about what to him dey jina me kasa you know say what to about I was here making sure say aba na be ye odd numbers I was say e bi en say ni na ye pe we say we can 99 bu ma be 18 so what you say but I was say able so So how come say you to first one na na asan to the same team because asan ka because you winner. Then tell me say board na yakwakoye ni wakwakoye adwuma magana. Until for 1 year na sa ba ko na meka ho ya it will be shortage. Na o person wa say ba ko no hold da ono na wo ma be shemu na we ba be fimu ana. There be I was saying won timi say no. Eye na automatically I say what ba ko buro so ba ka won na buro so. At least nka nipa no ye 19 na what you automatically ba ko be ko 10 ba ko abadan cause ye win there. Say there was here because automatically ye win no. Today ntin ye say ba twen aka say ye mbre ya ko say ye paya. It means no one can say what me say be paya. Na me go what you say because you say okay tell me say paya you say next year how was Nigeria say paya because ye pe winner. About
not to cut you, but I emra.
Ana
make us emra. Emra na untumi be boom mra bia so ha. Emra ne say ekoto aba na paya e be to for second time. Our Congress na say. Ekopa bia na say ye nya winner. E be to e dey say the next Congress. Imagine say Keto Krekunya contender. And you to ye apai ya to second na apai bia. Yes, I was say ye twen. Yes. Next Congress before the next Congress, you know, you have an interim person to take charge. Now you go to aba na elect. According to say Ghana, you go general elections. General elections are the person who take charge, you know, the chief justice.
Yes.
After the president,
you time must pay chief justice.
It's your call first round apai. You say encore run off. You say could be you the 50% plus one now. And also no emerald constitution or overturn for a certain number of days.
Yes.
And son of could be and also go paya a certain number of days.
And I'm telling you, right
now, do start time. Not nipa ni be adjourn.
Matias, but I'm telling you, didn't you executive committee Japan per 5? About 2 so what do you make us inquire 4? Because say 4, and tell me about to be a pie 2 back 1 2 according to. I'm going to say.
On to me blame you be I am the intention wasn't say you kwa you for that be the intention is
I have 5 but Argentina I have 5 no na say me kwati mazu I have 5 nipa na 2 no 18 as you team automatically say why 2 no dey
no anya nipa 18 na 2 nipa na 2 no I am more you to first round no out of 5 na say you know you nya mu 4 no ran ya benya 12 until say enya rejected you calculation ne mame first round no and if our calculator na calculation ne mame and over calculator Kingsley or say bonzu
okay
onya 9
okay
na no duro safo enya 10
okay
Fred Achi 11
Zuba that first one 9 okay
and here Kingsley or say bonzu
plus
Samson na no duro safo enya 10
okay
Fred Achi 11
okay
Anthony Kosioben 7 Randy Abe 12 Onyina Senso 7 Edmond Aka 8 Kwesi Apia 10 Ileoni Amandi 9 Ralph Jamra 7 Zuba unya number ben
the next 2 no
2 9 7 9 and 7 plus 7 90 no Zuba so ya 12 90 now 90 no Randy Abemo omo no ya 4 ye yo ma sinche omo de no meba Randy meba anya nipa 90 na ba akoto aba no anya nipa 90 na ana san kwa akoto aba ni biem meba anya because say 90 anka yenya say nipa 2 na yenya 99 entina I pemra no me status me phone ni dum anka me status na kire o then I call second na the number of people are also omoto saba no it could be say the previous executive council no and they be decided. What in America can say? The previous executive council no and they be decided because offer any the RFA a friends on RFA for probably that could be it. I stand to be corrected, but that could be it. I mean, phone in the man can me status, you know. But as I said, you know, that two first one a
okay.
Out your per 5, you move 4 on Randy Abinya or no Randy Abi Fred Achi Oduro Safo Kwesi Apia. I'm not qualify and as someone elect you someone called the executive council no so aka one no na type between Kingsley or say Bonzu and I think so Elioni Amande Yes, omunya 9 years uncle to omkoto ye no. The number omunya first one and no munya. Yes, in China the next Congress and Yen Sanko decide. It's up to them. It's up to them. It's simple. It's up to them. Someone will call. Say, ebedu so no. Na elect nipa dodo ni ye wie nipa ni nyina na akwa mope.
Yes.
Eduwa. Either say RF for ni nyina na ba akoto. And as executive council for ni yom na akwa akoto. And as I don't know whatever they will do, but definitely there will be another person.
Sure.
Yes. Over joining the 4 now, the 5 representatives from the Premier League clubs. Now, Division 1, no, and also I think the elections now start almost. Yeah, just on to be not counting. And so about near room. And now, Ocha Makado, Samuel Enumado, Eugene Nobel, Gideon Fusu, super. Or our 7-1.
Okay.
As some Division 1 or a Division 1, to be honest.
Sure.
Now, Alex Abibu. Alexander Abebiu Azuba. Alex Abebiu you be a all trend. Papa. I don't know in such a man. Yes, Alex Abebiu, you more born such a man as any.
Yes.
A man for can say Abranti and Emra, and Juba, a wedding.
Yes.
Ye 3, Makado, Samuel Enumado, Gideon Fusu, Alex Abebiu, and Eugene Nobel. For me, I can say Makado, Samuel Enumado Beko.
Alexander Abebiu so
Alex, that's what I'm saying. So Alexander Abebiu in the last 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, what game anymore? What game anymore? Ono na is a man for boni. So say Alex, to me, ewuremu. I could join a Makado, any Mado, I remember taking a. Me you're surprised. Continue, maybe Alex and Baku. But the son of Mekano, Keto Kreku, let my boy room, Usha, numbers and Onya and Azuba. Numbers and
yes, 120 delegates now one more at least one better aba now 20 delegates 117 and a 2 yes at the mano and a okopima 2 a 2 no and a back one back on it seems like in a flight not the banner amfa and the Friday back on a super other flight in the banner answer that in years but so one show flight not the banner.
Over.
Was a flight not the banner na ambe ye. But
I just said you say on Quania continue your own post. You know, yes.
No, at least we have.
Senior. So that's why I can say even if your man Georgia Free and I say Georgia Free qualify choir. If I go to Abano. These people.
Yeah.
Now, these same people is one packet another opportunity near and go to me at the year you get for. What want to know?
Oh, yes,
yes or no. Yeah.
And they also had the opportunity to say vote no against Kelta Gregu.
But when you that's
what I'm saying. So, Mark, even Georgia Free and opportunity now. Nibana to and can Nibana to a market.
When you had,
when the second,
I already said, people I already said, Ketan over 2 hours.
Near initiative for you near Kwame Ekano.
Yes.
And one Ghana, a baby, no penny be the prison, yet to Obama no prison, you could if you buy.
Okay.
It's a common peketa. It's simple. No. Nanka, and now no pay no. Yes, okay, young corner and go for people from Bra. I'm a contest. And Nipano Peno, and I'm out to Abano, Ediamano. As simple as ABCD. Then senior ado eka se nipa 18 ya de no masa netie se 18 nyina so to mo nipa ba ko a anka de na ebeka fanse nipa 18 nyina ato mo nipa ba ko and no unim numbers it said date mi chem 4 ebet me 31
yes
4 ebet me 13
yes
4 ebet me 44 and I say 22
yes
so te ase enti abato the anything can happen. What I say, me no, there be America, Ghana football no kure ni nyame anim. Enye se ntumi nsiesie no. No ma bia ekeka kono na enye. Me I wish say anka 7 ora ket anka mo anto ama no but enya abasa. Yeah, wish say anka mo anto ama no but enya aba. Na say na kwa America na lawyer Monday. Wo hwe ba bi o free any modern boy wabo. Don't you forget say before this product last time you show more about anyone, let me say it Promasidor Ghana. I saw Beji Dean, Necron Cabell, no. I saw Beji Dean, Ghana, a terrain win. A lawyer Monday at Daroma. What I say to me, your mother, I mean, a household name. Oh, baby, and he said, a lawyer Monday womb, na obetumi abo adwuma abo. I think let us give him the opportunity. It's unfortunate me to aba ne bi muna more sports fraternity nim muna mu decide ne ye edema Ghana football until let them decide for the benefit of the Ghana football na ema Ghana football into me in develop enko nanim. For all you know, right where we sit right now, nansia na mediama any dreams akọ Africa for 10 years omotimi akọti yenim 10 solid years. What they are saying from 10 years up to date, you know, I feel na yeko yenim kakra and you know kudos yan hwe ne betumi afi election mu atumi aba na Ghana atumi akọ nanim me which is my we say anka yeko AFCON Ivory Coast ya no North African country me fa anko East African country me fa anko na nka West Africa Ghana na nka ya gba wuram na atumi akọ but ne eko idie yeah I don't mean Fredachi stand no waluso na winning.
Oh Fredachi winning. Oh
good. I think Fredachi yendi ni bintu winning. I think say yeah. Oh hwe say na trend ne corner. Say we cut the last time ni mboa.
Yes.
8 years. The last time enyem wan say Fredachi be next football GFA president. Enyem wan yes, enyem wan I will not be surprised. Wow. So the next Ghana Football Association president, you know, anyone wants to be Fredachi.
What about Randy Abbey?
Randy won a style.
Okay.
Randy won Adrian. Say, good. I call say, young fellow say Randy Afa. Randy Awini. Fredachi bet me advice.
Okay.
What I say?
Oshe executive council member for the Ghana Premier League na Randy Abbey enya 12 Fredachi aka no say eba benya 11 just one
yeah
and Akwesi Appiah benya 10
yeah
and Oduro Safo benya 10
good Uncle Oduro Safo ni nipa 3 year dey anim ya Oduro Safo no bi a wakwadro Ghana football one and get Oduro Safo na nkenya 12 no what I say o ma share game no fi ne say 4 years to come we dey yenya ya oha 4 years to come when na Okuma wa TV maybe yeah wa TV so I asema mekan Ziggy ho obekati ama 4 years to come ebe GFA president if not Fredachi ebe Randy Abbey omumienu baako na befa na ka be vice so ti ase say Dania mekan ne say Dania na say bia Fredachi antimi ambam ameye Ghana Football Association president na reason here one reason being say Fred Christian Tachi boy
okay
yeah okay. Say and to me and next 4 years ama Fredachi ama me ebia president no yeah and president yin film say bia say Dr. Randy Abbey ama a straightforward match edema Fredachi say Dr. Randy Abbey ama next 4 years so we gina say Ghana Football Association yeah president na a straightforward match edema Fredachi. Another reason being say oyo Kumasi boy
sure
yeah another step being say oyo Kumasi boy what I say and right now Kumasi for no money abre
sure
yeah money abre good
okay enti the boy and out in Kano yabashe Storm guso to division 1 de no oma to awie division 1 de no oma to awie enti omokọ no makọ kan yes omokọ no makọ kan to mu hwegu kama to mu hwegu o mesese no according to omunya sise wie pe na omato no ma hwe ne ekọ ene ne eba e won but as stands now no ukopiem enkrofo a wo mo etimi ewini eye elections no the president of the Ghana Football Association ono still na isia no oma santo ne so aba ese wonom ene president yensa maintain no as a year another 4 years dama bia ne Ghana football no onhweda ombebu adwuma pitting wato eno ne yedi tu dwa no total vote no 120 na ukopiem 117 ena wo mo etumi ato yes edema no nipa ba kwa mba isan se ne flight ode ba no edu hwiem no na eye petrol science wono entumi amba and ukopiem no phone 2 entisia no the president of the Ghana Football Association still opinion ne din ede Mr. Kit Iyeso Kreku na ukopiem madam ne din madam Gifty yes isia no nipa 20 emano 20 ena na wo mo ehwe so meto eye ne so aba na omni akogina se madam no ohwe ne performance and also dwumedi odi edema eye emma football na dama bia no mpinifo emmani ni akoto eye yes edema na 20 ni nia bia so no etumi eye kama no na ukopiem e wo de esco die na yes esco die no ɛna ɛsia no yɛnya nipa baako 4 one aka no ɛna mpanimfoɔ de abɛto dwa so ɔmo nya 99 first one second one ɔmo to wie no ɛno nso kɔyɛ 99 tie pie mu ɛwɔ GFA mbrɛm no so ɔmo to ɛyɛ ɔmo kɔ elections na so ɔmo to vote first one second one na ɛpaeɛ a agye ɔmo kɔ congress ansana wɔn bɛyɛ yi asa te sia no pania ne din ɛde Randy Abe wɔn ɛtumi ukopie mu ɛyɛ GFA ESCO member for ɛyɛ the Ghana Premier League wɔn ɛka be wɔn nya 12 vote Fred Achi enya 11 James Akwesi Apia Mayele enya 10 also Odu Safo ɛso enya 10 nti yɛhwɛ ɛsɛ maybe next year kɔ congress yɛbɛtumi ayɛ wina bibia so no ɛtumi ayɛ kama nkɔmmɔ no so ɛnhyɛ da nyɛ Ziman
Kwesi Apia ɔde team bɛn na ɔde bae
ɔde krɔ bia kuma ɛkɔtɔkɔ
na ɔnkɔ Sudan
Sudan no last week miyanete so okay yeah miyanete so no ɛkɔ hɔ no nti yɛhwɛ okay nti yan crossover ne yɛntie nkɔmmɔ akra efie division 1 no ɛba okay nti ɛnhyɛ da nyɛ ya super ɛyɛ no a nyɛ ya sa ɛsɛ ɔmo yɛ yi wɛkyerɛ okay nti super yɛhwɛ division 1 no Division 1 a very tight way pa.
Yes, I make earlier on Division 1 a very tight contest. Oshe Makado, Samuel Enimado, Alex Abebio, who is now becoming the poster boy from that side, but to join the executive council, Samson Gideon Fosu, and I think Eugene Nobel. It's quite difficult, but Makado and I think Samuel Enimado definitely will come out. Say a year and to join the executive council and Makado and the vice president at the Ghana Football Association. Samuel Enumado is also part of the executive council, and we know each other. But the contest now, the third person to even join Omutuno and then Asem super a burden I see sir and Samuel Enimado,
yes.
Seems like a man for Hageno. Yes, a man for Hageno. So Samuel Enimado, so no, a man for Hageno. It's up to Samuel Enimado. What me I say it true. We are now waiting for the other 2 people. I want to be to my joining. Our horse and kind of Makado, Eugene Nobel, Gideon Fosu, and Alex Abebio. Yeah, so you ever joining Samuel Enimado. Now you have 3 reps from Division 1 on joining the executive council. And Enimado for me, super, he has been so helpful for the past 2-3 years. And ocean impacts in our game now. And also, I don't say congratulations on the man amount for no.
Baby Jet the manager, no.
Yes, as a Mojan manager. And so I don't know. I remember the first time I met him, a very cool, calm person. Until he recently, Nasim me by as well. Be near there.
Super, or you cross over, bro.
Is Nana Sapo Odro.
Okomai Radio 97.1. Okomai Radio 97.1.
Then the 5th person is Kingsley.
Okomai Radio.
Please stand so we can see you very well. Please come forward so we can see you.
Okomai Radio
So,
97.1.
Congress.
Okomai Radio 97.1. Okomai Radio 97.1. Okomai Radio 97.1.
One.
Okomai Radio 97.1.
We have to.
Okomai Radio 97.1.
We have to elect 3 people. When we have 5 candidates, we have to elect 3. So again, strictly, if you vote more than 3 people, your vote is invalid. If you vote and select less than 3, okay. So we'll start with a mentioning of names.
And the no okopie ma seems like in before ashe ama two time na first one no moto na emuache second one so seems like in before ashe ama me ye feel because omo one sha omo tumi kwatena wa next year sana wo metumi aye yantin komo akra ebobo ba ne se Lozico yes isi anom okopie ma wababe joining the executive council of the Ghana Football Association Premier League side no and the anonin koma akrabusua it seems like every ba and the isi anaka ese mo be division 1 de no aka division 1 de nti enen koma akrabboy ba na ye yam asemu Zuba seems like na your dream say ye yasa but amfa Zuba yanhwe it seems like in before ehwa one sha the core next year Congress na one shot in that.
Yes, as we were saying, because Tenassia till next year, no, probably send a mechanic, a woman or Masisha Momra, and almost the year, Juman, normal Congress now, as I bet as the third rounder, I think say, Oman Sono and Enimia Eberboam. So I'm trying to get the figures, for the third round, no, but I made it in it, and then Kinsley or Sabunsu, let me with I want to me I join it. And I make on and I make catch the boys definitely BBC and year two confirm so back home and as nipa ni be adwen ebesesa na go di baby for so and also I know ten acquire and I think will be adwen be vote e dey aka na dey ho enti ten senior ma me saka no and Kingsley or Sebonsu etimi abenya 2 additional votes and as we have 3 additional votes and so no etimi dey ka na dey no so nya 12 I'm foul. No, the Yabashana, Eddie Abris, no. And so to my banner, FA4 and Zino, or Massam. So, you could show I trying to say Division 1 at the end of the Antonio Senna kind of Kingsley or Sebonsu, Lozico, and 12, Obenya 12 a year, additional Obenya 12 votes, and I think so. Eloy Monday, 6. Okay. I say after third round of election, and also and so unfortunate on the side of me. So Eloy Monday, and so and to my heading and Uremu and so no until you see Nipa to me Uremu. Oh yeah, the Ghana Football Association. Executive Council also from the Premier League, yes. And so no any Randy Abbey, yes, Randy Abbey, and also no etimi Uremu. And so no e free war Sansona owura your friend Fred Achi and also etimi Uremu Sansona ene no Oduro Safo nana Oduro Safo and so etimi Uremu James Kwesi Apia Mayele and also Urem and afenso Kingsley Osei Bonsu and also etimi Uremu and the Ghana Football Association presidential election and so no sena yakaya no super get me nipa dodo na ye hwe anim so meba no 120 and am come abeto abano nipa ba na 119 and it me beto ye abaako entumi amba nti hwe total members na isanka to 120 total vote cast no 119 and afin so no total valid votes no and so no 119 keto kreku etumi enya ye 117 out of the 119 and I no and so no 2 nti eno so eno no with executive council no and I say yes executive council no emana fem no gifty Owari Mensah gifty Owari Mensah ono so etumi abo okọ ono post there but nipa 120 and I say to aba no nipa 20
yes
nipa 20 sorry
yes.
And I say to aba no 20 ni nyina no eto yes. And so it's made my gifty Owari Mensah.
So for the first time?
Yes, in the first time. And the American none than he didn't I just share Juma why and the honor the current deputy director at the NSS National Service Scheme no honor your way and a uremo berry ladies are on also na penyipa or Brekum Chelsea so no on also no as a vice president at my Brekum Chelsea so she's so much into a football and me kai ampem da kwa recently omoko kobo wafu be sana me ko wafu na nkaza mu no odi akire a e be kicho se ampem da kwa ne ama so be kon kan e de am se ma no penasem omuto omani a ento ba bia enim dan so no ana bere ni adonyo ombeto omani no amoso omani ekoto na nim so to affirm no say ne no ono ana ye oba o me represent ma no ɛwɔ FA no ɔmo nyinaa ɛma no that total number of votes no 20 no yes no it tells you sampa ɔmo ogidie ɛwɔ maame nim a ɔno nso no yɛmbɔ n'aba so ɛwɔ hɔ and executive council no wɔawura mu mmarima no afɛm from the Premier League no yɛhwehwɛ 5 no nya yɛnya Randy Abe getting 12 votes, Fred Achi getting 11 votes, Oduro Safo enya 10 ana afei nso no Kwesi Apia James Mayele nso enya 10 ana afei nso Kingsley Oseibo nso ɛno nso no after say yɛkɔ 2 runoffs no ɔno nso no etumi benya 12 votes nso no ɛde aka ho a ɔno nso na join the executive council now this year no yɛtwɛn no the division 1
so but no obi bisa say see James Akwesi Apia IMC Edema Kotoko bono NAPni esako pie mo Sudan national team ni appoint no now ya appoint nas AGF executive council member adwume star be no obeye no
Juba, I think say James Kwesi Apia team about on say the some to say Sudan deal no nyantie.
Okay.
Onye confirmed
there.
Say or signing contract no emfama Sudan ye nkomotwetwe egusu ekoso. Ebetuma koba ne say ebia kura na wanko Sudan ni biem.
Just because of
ebia na wanko not just because of when because anyone state and then answer no make his statement. Okay. Na nto abaye.
Yeah, okay.
Na nto abaye. Ntino ebetuma ba say on Sudan for no negotiation mon twan say menya na mabefa menya so bia na me communicating yama e de abam but penny statement or the bible ntin say onyan sign contract no emfama Sudan minor but for me I think say the football people at me now no me Ghana say honor so much me na be part of the decision making body, highest football decision making body in the country. Some like yeah man Black Stars say juma no yeah the call World Cup na dey do baby no na Ghana phone so feel say the modern money the encha na konkan e betena fie and the bro betena fie ni nyina no no yeah juma the boa Sante Koroko to be honest no yeah juma the boa Sante Koroko and eniyama mu yeah dem Emma ene no Koroko management emo ebre so ye na board na ebre so mo ko na otumfo ehwehwe nkrofo ama mo be ye adwuma no opimso efole on James Kwesi Apia ama na kire nse mamu bi no me coach Kotoko. It tells you how big and how James Kwesi Apia important James Kwesi Apia and now James Kwesi Apia etimi appoint Prosper Nati Ogum and ma Koroko fans no so ni here agent ho and then Prosper that also and now a part of the interim management committee IMC and ma Koroko adwuma and all but as executive council member no one map on any other ticket than Asante Koroko edimu no de and now am for it to Abama na ono so no etimi room executive council member ntini James Kwesi Apia and so na so ye twen ni I know say beba from a year I think say division 1 side you know then you know yet me room now better like you what my laugh na do what my dear cuz better like next time you say Monaka there's a church in Monaka
Bazuba so by year Monaka ina was it last season
Monaka na all summer text no
yes last season game bisa I'm born in powder ne
yes me ni share bra summer test pre-season no ye di nkomo na ne nkomo die mu no na am say executive council na da na akoma so oboso oba no be Ghana adwuma no nti no about any say na akwa what ma zuwa the chichi ni pasa you know, better like next time I come from Nipa now. Yeah, no, I will not call them losers, but Nipa no, and they make your choice.
Yes,
that's what I said. They've made their choice, and as I always say, Oko bibina ya battle, and Nipa no make your choice. We need to respect the choice of the people. It might not go your way, but Nipa no decided to better mawa. It doesn't make it say usun inverse. They feel at that moment, you know, they prefer somebody else than you. Obre and so no so far winners na ba so yeah just say division 1 there no and also no ebetima ba na Zuba yetimi akwa enu na yenya the executive council members no na yia RF there no so no etimi aba ntene no your long way pa but yeah so obre no so e be sorry na mom no ze hu hia se san betena se ya e baba na fin so no yetimi aba betena se
Zuba am ye twa ho bra me twa ho yes ye twa ho bra
also angeza mu yene bese 230
Zuba I only for the crow I say
Hi, now let me share my wildlife experience with you at Safari Valley Eco Park. On our arrival, we were greeted by experienced tour guides who took us through an orientation on how best to enjoy the experience. We were surrounded by wildlife from the moment we entered the eco park. We saw zebras, sable antelopes, crown cranes, maras, silky chicken, emus, wallabies, deer, ponies, and so many animals. We watched the animals roam freely in their natural habitat, undisturbed by our presence. Our tour guide told us so much about the wildlife, their behavior, and how to interact with them. I even fed them. We also went fishing. Then we took a break to have lunch in the beauty of the open space. All of this fun and activities for a starting price of 250 cedis, and it's free for children below 6 years. As the sun began to set, it was time to go back home, but not before our sunset dinner by the campfire. We've had a thrill of a lifetime, and I can't wait to visit again. Safari Valley Eco Park, bringing you closer to nature.
Tontonte. Yenum sani efadwen. Ne efadwen ampa. Say na nim say brebi beba. Ama tontina 74. Opa ye ne simple. T74 abeye adru. Tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esi nananom dodo so. Say de na dodo bua ma nananom enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no. Emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho den. Tontina 74 yin so yaye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti baby a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 se mennom tontina 74 menya hoɔden mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoɔden ni apomuden ko a wokɔ pharmacy ana baby eto nro bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wafa afuro ana obi a ɔma nufoɔ ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadi nkrato yi atom.
Take a sip and taste the flow. Life it be hard sometimes, but let it go.
Feel the flow for your patio. Bellas to get your feet on the floor. It's Bell Ice. We feel it burn. We feel it burn. Take a sip of Bell Ice. We feel it.
Jiwa Bell Ice Lemon, Pineapple, Orange, and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer in one pop peppy. Na enjoy. Kaise, Bell Ice and what PET plastic bottle mono and what 8% alcohol and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer and what can mono and also what 18% alcohol. Nominansem, one toma nipa, only in fear to watch it, and sesa apem for num. FDA agidredian kratoi atom. Bell Ice, Mephilia.
Another quality product from Bell Aqua.
Ayiko. Me mamu nyina ayiko. Me makana for ayiko. Ya from Nana Kwame Perry. Ubetimi afro me the finest and meme nyina aka echu ne me. Ayiko mre ye dwumadi ofufuo bi kra eba wa akwan mu e wo koman 97.1 radio so efiti joda ekosi fiada. Pramoto pepepe me kira mide ekosi 2 pm. Ya de nkomo mre bebro. Apomudin sem afe ye bedigwa na fe ya kansem ekoso. Mo mudi o ma woda ene me nche na me no enka na feferfe e wo radio so. Kayo eye ayiko no agye me se ye ya from Nana Kwame Perry enemy share
Carry another, you know say I be complete man. Now your matter, it for my mind.
Akoma Radio 97.1.
Face covered like a Taliban, just a bad man moving bad. All me want is some peace of mind. Roll one and I burn it loud, vibrations happen that. See no evil, I see no man. See no man. Oil in my head, everything I touch is blessing. All I see is blessings, and no man can stop me. Send them away, evil eyes don't watch me. Cause all I see is blessings, and no man can stop us. Oh Lord, I won't stop for nothing. Victory is near, I'm feeling it, and I stay G with it. I won't stop for nothing. Victory is near, I'm feeling it, and I stay G with it. Man don't stay down when man fall. Get up and come for more. Get up and come for more. Get up. Man don't stay down when man fall. Get up and come for more. Get up and come for more. Get up and come for more. Oil in my head, everything I touch is blessing. All I see is blessings, and no man can stop me. Send them away, evil eyes don't watch me. Cause all I see is blessings, and no man can stop me.
Gideon Fosu, 1, 2, 3, nothing, nothing, 4,
My radio 97.1.
nothing, 5, 6,
Okoma Radio 97.1. Okoma Radio 97.1.
10,
Okoma Radio 97.1. Okoma Radio 97.1. Okoma Radio 97.1. Okoma Radio 97.1.
Okay, so Mr. Gideon ana ne die no egusua ekoso kama won mo na say dama bia no bibia so no betumi akonka Mr. Gideon egusua to Mr. Gideon ofusu fusu onkan fusu onkan kan papa but the idea ben papa sa di division 1 no and say dama bia no yebenya obi won mo na dama bia hwe ese division 1 no omba beyi na omahwe na bibia so no etumi aye kama e won still Mr. Gideon Fosu omgusu akan but nothing for the Dawson say winning na o winning no Zuba say
nothing Dawson say something.
Yes nothing no look at no okay Kofi adi hard pa super monitor wona yanhwe bie ni ana yaye isa nti I'm still live on Okoma Radio 97.1 we GF elections and you see a young kunua ye hwe ne yeko ene ne eba e won mo na okopiem onim say Mr. Kurt Iyosekweku the president of the Ghana Football Association yes onim so no esi ano na mpinifo ekogina no omato ne so aba say wonom the president of the Ghana Football Association and 4 years papa no beko na wa bojuma petim wadwato ama Ghana football na Ghana football no papa ni bojuma petim wadwato pa the next person Zuba hon wenye ibia na unya ibia wo okay be hwe se ibi nya se nkrofo no we ni adi sto na hwenza kroma no di amanfo yi so mo ko ba bi ama wa
97.1.
de india ton de omo ye mo pa no me okroma de omo pa eno me okroma I don't know damn but obende still yegusu e kan the Ojan live for Facebook on Okoma Radio 97.1 na oban say DJ Zigibi e de ne ekoso woni ano e de yegusu e wo hodom tubehu ne ekoso e wo eye the Ghana Football Association omo temali nya kra ha say dabi temali enom kopie mu the flight na yire bibia senka anyanya anka flight be ye aba flight no ye kopie mu e wo temali no enyeze enyoma the president of the Ghana Football Association opepa no enwa enie
Face covered like a Taliban, just a bad man moving bad. All me want is some peace of mind. Roll one and a burning loud vibrations happen that. See no evil, I see no man. Oil in my head, everything I touch is blessing. All I see is blessings, and no man can stop us. Send them away, evil eyes don't watch me. Cause all I see is blessings, and no man can stop us. Oh Lord, I won't stop for nothing. Victory is near, I'm feeling it, and I stay G with it. I won't stop for nothing. Victory is near, I'm feeling it, and I stay G with it. Man don't stay down when man fall. Get up and come for more. Get up and come for more. Get up. Man don't stay down when man fall. Get up and come for more. Get up and come for more. I get up and come for more. Oil in my head, everything I touch is blessing. All I see is blessings, and no man can stop us. Send them away, evil eyes don't watch me. Cause all I see is blessings, and no man can stop us. Oil in my head, everything I touch is blessing. All I see is blessings, and no man can stop us. Send them away, evil eyes don't watch me. Cause all I see is blessings, and no man can stop us. Send them all, send them away, send them away, send them all. Oil in my head, oil in my head. Victory is near, I'm feeling it, and I stay G with it. I won't stop for nothing. Victory is near, I'm feeling it, and I stay G with it. Man don't stay down when man fall. Get up and come for more. Get up and come for more. Get up. Man don't stay down when man fall.
The young say you bet me across over na near Kosuono. Yeah, the atuja. Yeah, try win, bra. Yeah, try.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, nothing, 22, 23,
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Hello?
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
The next one is Eugene Noble, Ni Amon Noel. Nothing.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
1, 2, 3, 4, nothing, 5, 6, nothing, 7, 8, nothing, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, nothing, 15, nothing, 16, nothing, 17, nothing, 18, Nothing.
97.1.
19. Nothing. 20. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
Okomai Radio 97.1.
22. 23. 24. Nothing. 25. 26. 27.
Okomai Radio 97.1. Okomai Radio 97.1. Okomai Radio 97.1.
The last candidate. Noble Ni Amon Noel has 28 votes. So the last candidate, Alexandra Abedio.
Okomai Radio 97.1. Okomai Radio 97.1.
Nothing.
Radio 97.1.
Nothing. Nothing.
Okomai
2.
Radio 97.1.
Nothing. 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 3. 4.
Okomai Radio
5.
97.1.
Nothing. 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 Nothing.
Okomai Radio 97.1.
Nothing. 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 6. 7. 8. 9. Nothing. 10. Nothing. Nothing.
Okomai Radio
11.
97.1.
12. Nothing. 13. 14. 15.
Okomai Radio 97.1. Okomai Radio 97.1. Okomai Radio 97.1.
So, can I call forward Mr. Gideon Fosu, who had 29 votes, Mark Ado, who had 32 votes, and Eugene Nobelni Amon Noel, who had 28 votes. Please come forward. So Division 1 League clubs have elected the following. Gideon Fosu, please, where is he? Eugene Noble Ni Amu Noel. Ni Amon Noel. So these are the 3 people who have been elected. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Okomai Radio 97.1.
Okay, and the way Division 1, near corner, ano den. Wow. The Division 1 no, Zupa kika nyama bubum na yehu ne ko ene eba. Na Division 1 no, ye penipa bako 3. Egrafo a wo mu ko gina se yento mo so aba no, Mark Ado, Samo Enim Ado, Zaso ena Eugene Noble, Mr. Gideon Fosu, Alexander Ababium ne de amfa on the amfa. Gideon Fosu, yes, Gideon Fosu enya. Saso ena kopiema Eugene Noble enya. Ena Zuba, okay, Zuba.
I think say Nipa yet my election from Division 1 and Gideon Fosu, Mark Ado, Eugene Noah Nobel.
Samuel
Enimado.
Hey,
Samuel Enimado. Surprisingly. Zuba, when after say you can't need first now looking at the number of votes when you are man for Coborn Abaso and you are saying that video you say it's a comfortable lead and I saw you say the you can't first. So you also felt so comfortable, but I'm so surprised. Say Samuel Enimado and to me with them. Eugene Noble and Zuba Ocha Eugene Abonya now 28.
Yes.
Gideon Fosunya 39.
Okay, I don't know your kind of na.
Eugene Gideon Fosunya 39. Anna Mark Adunya 32.
Wow.
Super surprisingly. Samuel Enumado. And to me, the executive council no. So and you know you go so you're trying to say the original level no.
The original level.
And also be say na I think say Kaiboka Krabbe but as time goes on you know you be na the updates you know so aba and super sena eka you know yewom na we share results no so far now I mean just say for the presidential elections you know number of 120 people and you share him san come about 119 and about total number of vote cast no 119 total valid votes and so no 119 Kurt Edwin Simon Akwenya 117 ana nipa mienu atu no and so no ewo a man from representative from women's football and so no gifty or mentor
yes
and also nipa 20 and ye hwe ni so mkoto aba no omokoto 20 nya akoto ye gifty and so no enya ye 20 votes ni nyina nipa no etimi ato yes etimi edema no ono so and the first person wura mu on the executive council of man football mu now the Premier League you know and so nipa mako enum anana yeyi amoma join the executive council and nipa ejina ne ye Kingsley Osebonsu Nana Safu Odro Fred Achi Anthony Kwesi Obin Randy Abe Onyena Senso Edmonaka Kwesi Apia Mayele Elioni Amande and Afinson Raf Jamra and after the first round of elections you know Kingsley Osebonsu enya 9 Nana Odro Safu enya 10 Fred Achi enya 11 Anthony Kwesi Obin enya 7 Randy Abe enya 12 Onyena Asenso enya 7 Edmonaka enya 8 Samson Akwesi Apia enya 10 Eloini Amande enya 9 and Raf Jamra enya 7. It's after the first round of elections no nipa itumi elect yomono enie Randy Abe 12 votes Fred Achi 11 na no Odro Safo 10 Kwesi Apia 10 into almost 4 itumi koye na ehu be nya se tie na ekwo mu between Kingsley Osebonsu and Elioni Amande no 99 yesankoto abani biem second round yakoto second round omumienu insanya 99 and so home. Now I was a third round of election.
Yes.
Third round, and a Kingsley or Sabonsu, a year Lord Zico. It means any 12 votes. And I know Eloini Amandi, enya 6. Into Nipa, waiting my back 4, no one I have 5, from the Premier League side, the executive council, no so no, a year Kingsley or Sabonsu, Lord Zico. Into Nipa 5, no,
Mr. Ketio, the Kriku, Bibi Koso, Ian Timbra.
Hold the goals.
To uphold the goals,
Missions and objectives of the Ghana Football Association. I pledge to perform my duties. To the best of my abilities. In my service to the GFA. And work in concerted effort with other executive council members. To implement the policies of the GFA. And to help in achieving the goals. And objectives of the GFA. I pledge to support the membership. And their endeavors. And most importantly, to work towards the development of football in Ghana. So help me God. Now he's going to take the oath of confidentiality. So I
Radio 97.1.
I will
Akomai Radio 97.1.
And to the best of my skill and ability, execute and perform the duties.
Akomai Radio 97.1. Akomai Radio 97.1.
I will not disclose, communicate, or convey,
or allow to be disclosed,
communicated, convey directly, indirectly or indirectly, to any person, any private or confidential information, whatever obtained by me, in or about the performance of my duties, or by virtue of my position, as the president, and I further promise and swear that whatever I see or hear of a confidential nature or that is confined to me in my official capacity will be kept ever secret unless revelation is necessary in the performance of my duty. So help me God. So it's dated the 5th day of October 2023. So he's going to sign now.
Akomai Radio 97.1. Akomai Radio 97.1. Akomai Radio 97.1.
Zuba, the
Yes.
president of the Ghana Football Association.
Yes, and the president of the Ghana Football Association, and it me, I swear, the oath of allegiance, and I said the oath of office, I didn't yet me really act, for the second term. I was at the Ghana Football Association president. And Juba, my main chipping in this, the Division 1 positions, on the executive council, saying Mark Addo, enya 32 votes. Mark Addo, enya 32 votes. Your toss me, Gideon Fosu. Gideon, enya 29 votes. 29 votes for Gideon Fosu. Eugene Noble, enya 28 votes.
Okay.
28 for Eugene. And Alex Abebio, enya 15 votes. Samuel Enumado, super, enya 13 votes. 1-3. 13 votes.
Enumado.
And Samuel Enumado. And so it's me, Marcado, it's me retaining the position. And I name Samuel Enumado losing the position on the executive council.
Wow.
No, so that and he was losing the position on the executive council. Super. I'm so surprised. So Onya 13-1-3. And Alex Abebio, newcomer, in 15. Yes. Oh no, I was in Swachaman, yes. 15 votes. And Samuel Enumado with experience Okura in our football and losing the position on the executive council. Nipa Ewuram from Division 1. Echo the executive council no eso Mark Addo ono and my name say Kurt Befano so no your friend is saying vice president and but no the previous administration no the vice president. It's Mark Addo 32 votes. Gideon Fosu and Ewuram 29 votes. Eugene Noble 28 votes. Samuel Enumado Amfa 13 votes. Okofi Alex Abebio ever trying the best, but also 15 votes. And also so far super the executive council and it gets Edwin Simon Akweku Babeye Jumano in here. Gifty Owari Mensa Abuaje.
Okay.
Samsona Randy Abe. Fred Achampon. Nana Odro Safo Miami Ofa Ewurem. James Kwesi Apia from Asante Koroko Ewurem. Kinsley Osei Bonsu. Samsona Mark Addo. Eugene Noble. Gideon Fosu. It's the way and the executive council or the Ghana Football Association. Ghana, your football no one say na. Tuba, then someone anywhere to the other day. It's your football one say na Ghana hanom. No. President Odi Nimono, Kurt Edwin Simon Okreku ono and Edi Nima. Yeah, share him say your football for the second time. I hear the man no. On which my reviving him. A man for can say bring back the love, the game changer. Oba in the first election, yes, unya no no. Ama or the football philosophy in the DNA no. Ultimately about catch them young and about ya call the World Cup. Any idea wafu zone be a man and member in yetuma kwani idea. But the most important thing Ghana for share and it's a Premier League, yes. About bounce back. The so not to say you increase the price money. But you bet me pull along supporters at stadium. You turn players, you bet to my turn aboard here. Makacho said the only player of Ghana, you turn from the Ghana Premier League, Echo Europe straight and board then Joseph Bento.
Yeah.
After that, you to me turn your best player in the Premier League $200,000. Your best player in Premier League near turn $200,000. On cover be no call Ethiopia. Your top players call Sudan, Somalia, Sorondonodo. Your top players, your quality players. And the Baran appear and move how to focus. No more call big clubs in Italy. I'm for Remo France, Rennes, Fenerbahce. I'm for Aaron Galatasaray, the Chelsea's. I don't know yet.
So me try no ba. When the FIFA 4 Emma one more delegate be PM say.
Yes.
One more dem come Accra EDHI after say the president of the Ghana Football Association yes Saturn so but the NTN come Accra if FIFA 4 ever
to assist to this election. And when I look at the eyes of the new elected president, Kurt Okaku, I can see some emotion. And football is about emotion. It's about the willingness to support your country, to support your kids, to give hope to millions of Ghanaians through football. And I know you are pressure. I can see the pressure is still not relieved. I can also see it. But on my behalf and on behalf of FIFA, congratulations to you and to the whole EXCO members that have been elected today. I say also congratulations to the electoral committee who managed this election brilliantly, and everything went well this morning. But now we have some work. You guys are the delegates, you guys are the clubs, you guys are the essence of football within the country. We have some responsibility together to develop that further. The pressure in Ghana is very high. It's a football country, it's an African giant. We know that. We know what you face, but the talent in this country deserve it. Ghana has the potential for me to win a World Cup, and I mean it. With a bit of luck, with programmation, you can count on me and my team to support Turf, all executive committee. We need to push now the machine. We need to do more, and we need to be more proactive. To have this election here in Tamale, at the north, some players that I played with are Ghanaian, Wadwa Asamoah Gyan, Badu. They told me, in this part of the north, you have talent. And I think that a commitment from the federation also to make the football truly global across the country and to go everywhere in the country. So I promise Kurt, the president, I promise also the Nigerian president, because your rivalry can help the football grow in the region, and that we will do more, that we will improve the facilities, improve the competitions, improve the support to the clubs, and improve also women's football. So all of you, thank you. Thank you for what you do for football and for your country every day. We know it's not easy, but thank you from the bottom of our heart, and keep going. Thank you.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
And we and a FIFA delegate, the Federation of International Football Association from P4, it say yes, Omombra na Omumbe support the Ghana Football Association elections are. More fair, Suba. No.
Yes, and and then come on, FIFA at me about I think senior Beka Kana, we are made the executive council members in Yadino at me about
Yeah, Raja. I'm say near you shall baby. Oshe nipa yetu wansi abana. The nipa nipa wana wakoto wansi abano. Me mpa boni se senior nipa nanya gidi ewu mu na wansi ama won nod no foforo won wansi retain won seat no around the abene money ade no adwuma pa wo ye ntia ma nipa na den asen ato abana ma wansi wansi anto ya so no ye besere won se wokwe mu won kodi ye hambo, because they are just 15 people, and I say dwene the whole Ghana football when I say, but apart from 15 we about 110 and also 115. So you best one say eniama anko especially brass salad women's team black queen say me no hu hia baba the last time I jagaje na me prefer say nka me ba ye 2 and I said 3 executive honoman.
Senior the president of the Ghana Football Association, the NTN Accra, Mr. Ket Ilse say, reappointing us the president of the Ghana Football Association, or in Koma Accra DJI.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Okay, yeah, sure. Seems like Unipa. Okay.
Our proud clubs and members of Congress, but all our stakeholders from the constituent bodies, our Women Premier League clubs, our Division 1 League clubs, our regional chairmen from the 10 football regions, our friends and brothers from the Division 1 League, and most importantly, from the Ghana Premier League. I am humbled, and with a gracious heart, I want to say thank you to all of you for traveling far and near to be here today, and in my opinion, to make a very clear and bold statement of the unity we have in the Ghanaian game. Aiko, can we clap for ourselves, please? We had 120 delegates attending this morning's function. Aiko. In 2019, this special family, our football family, gave us the opportunity to serve. After our dear country's football went through a very, very difficult and challenging times.
Akuma Radio 97.1.
Fast forward, after normalization, again, the entire world was confronted with COVID-19. Again, football was heavily challenged.
Akuma Radio 97.1.
But it took a united football family to stay strong, to stay together, to go through the difficult journey of resurrecting our football. Congressmen and women, during our last Congress in Kumasi, I did say that in the 4 years that you offered us the chance to serve, our football went through good times. And our football also went through some bad times. But throughout these good times and bad times, we stayed together because we believed in the vision of resurrecting the Ghanaian game. In these good times, we chalked some successes on the pitch. In these bad times, we lost some battles on the pitch.
97.1.
In these bad times, we had our disagreements, but we believed in the vision of the leadership of our game.
Akuma Radio 97.1.
That's why today we have sent a clear and bold statement about our confidence in the leadership of our football. Thank you. Indeed, in the last 4 years, we have made some good steps towards fixing the fundamentals of our sport.
97.1.
Gladly, today, you have kept the faith in my good self and my other colleagues to continue of fixing the fundamentals, but most importantly also to ensure
Akuma Radio 97.1.
When I say being competitive on all fronts, I'm talking about our domestic game, most importantly, and
Akuma Radio 97.1.
It's enough to put the
Akuma Radio 97.1
of our football association to go the extra mile into ensuring that our game becomes enjoyable.
Akuma Radio 97.1. Akuma Radio 97.1.
I know I made a lot of good friends.
Akuma Radio 97.1.
At the same time, I also know I made enemies. For all of us who love football,
97.1.
who have been on this journey together, who I may have offended in one way or the other, I say,
Akuma Radio 97.1.
I am sorry on the bottom of my heart. If I did wrong you, I did wrong you for footballing reasons.
97.1.
I've always said that the road ahead of us will never be easy and will never be smooth.
but we will get there. That is why I call on all of us, just like I said in Kumasi, to come together, to stay together, because the leadership of your FA is ready to listen to the other mind. We are ready, and we will listen to the other mind. We will listen to discerning voices. The 4 years ahead of us is to allow all of us to accelerate our rate of development. And it will not take only me, it will not take only my ESCO,
Okuma Radio 97.1,
to let go of the past and open a new chapter of developing our game, a new chapter of bringing love to one another, a new chapter of ensuring that we stretch our hands around our shoulders and say, Midiema, we are one. The last few days, 2 days ago, I had a meeting with my brother, my colleague George Free.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
I just one message for him. We can only build the Ghanaian game when we stay together. The football cake is a very big one. And everybody, including my brother George, has a role to play. I will reach out to George and I'll bring him back home. So, George, wherever you are, we are one. My message to you is Midiema. My message to you is Midiema.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
In the next 4 years, and this message is very important, we have to learn to respect our status. We have to learn to read our status, because that is our Bible. That is our Quran. If you spend time reading the Quran, spend equal time reading the statutes of the Football Association. That puts bread on our table. Please. And I hope that all of us will go by this special advice from me. I want to thank my staff, led by the General Secretary, Prosper Harrison. Thank you.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Let's clap for them, please. I want to thank the staff for all the hard work. They call me Mr. Pressure because I don't allow them to sleep. Because clearly, from where we took Ghana football, we couldn't work 24 hours a day. We needed to work 26 hours a day to revive our sport. And each one of them is committed towards the next phase of our agenda.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
To my RFA chairman and to the 10 RFA officers, Madam Asi, thank you for your support. If we remember, my forms were picked by the 10 RFA chairmen and paid for by the RFA chairman. Thank you. I know you are clapping, but the message to you is very clear. A lot more is expected from you. Going into the next 4 years, we have to work a lot more.
Okuma Radio
and I know
97.1.
that together we will work a lot more. Thank you, RFS. I also want to say thank you to the Sector Minister, Honorable Yusuf Mustafa, representing the government of Ghana, for all the support that he offered us and his promised support for football going into the next 4 years. Indeed, I cannot leave out the Select Committee on Sports. They have been so helpful. I cannot leave out my family. They've been so helpful. Thank you so much. And most importantly, to the Elections Committee, thank you for the good work.
And when you come across the president of the Ghana Football Association, Ediaba, Yediama Yenetiefo, Yeni Ediasi, Yanis Suba, Yanshe.
Keta Canadian, you know, and you may say, to the speech in Yanano, we analyze each speech in Yanan in summer. What can any Nipana but the executive council no sono, and no more Lusunin and results in Yanano. Okay, super on to Jagu, then said in Senova. Keto Jumaya on our car, I saw friend in Georgia, question free. Yes, now Omra Mecano, Nedjuan on yet, not a Ghana football. And so no intimate fan into one friends and you may share. Okay. Senior, final word, senior.
Raja, Senior Cano, a jabo, Janya Bedu. Intending a salmon that four, intending just say, Senonia Gusukano. Okay. A Jumanade, where was away. From form, I could see sort of a Juma away, intending say, you may share. Okay, you'll be answered, but to go to bet here, Tiafina. I'm just honey, I did to me in the Bessie. Demon, Eba Bethanasi, the announcement, Ebana. European Yawono na amanfo yi na bibia so no etumi kama di man
original
dia yi di dumbreze
mumo ni adwuma se Ghana football no de medical aka se wenum da so a di anim dia brasta bobo anya dia me support na makonya akoma yare na ama na be di anim wa hu oh se magina kaka jo se jo free ye friend ha ayi ket friend no emfa randia ba mu no na Fred Achi abamu no next 4 years no say nipa mienu omo ntra say Georgia free from nowhere meshemu there be omo be the cartel na no cartel na nti na gabe na Ghana Blaster wo match no one Fred dey you know
Ghana your game yam ya to ma 14
someone Fred dey you
friendly game any be ko ye we penal 17 ya ka for USA the boy your announcement ni anko
come me na obu mark na ma no akwa no ball no tell me abakotena bench yo I no pay awie yes amamu nyina akwa babia mradio kro nson e chiri po ba koso ye de nkabo ana edi wura mu na fe yetimi ato adwumade no eso koman radio eso eni na ye hyase no ene de kopiem e wo ye asore dem praise the Lord we say hallelujah midi ele kwa me ohene da commented for nyina mrante and the boy raise to the power one ye dem ase wo munya breti chief election all the way from Tamale improve na the buy no papa ya o sport no wo evergreen ho ye da wase akosua sa na busuafo nyina no nso ye da wase ye sha se dia na de fi Grace Presby asore demu na ye de efre na ye de eba na Esther Presby ni na je se ade nyina betumi akonkan na aye kama and Esther miyu ya na oso ba ko na mo na fi atumi ye ya revival Grace President Church Akropon Akuapem organize a 5 days revival nyame adoma 30th October 2023 kopema ye 3rd November 2023 and adwumadi betumi ahyase na wie kama adwumre bia no nsia na adwumadi no atumi ahyase na wo mo ebeji pene no mo adi anim na adwumadi na timi akoso the Grace Evangelistic team no wo mo ebedi anim na ade nyina atumi akonkan yesi asore be da enwum eka ho adwuma mo ebedi anim na ya to nwum hallelujah munyawurade aye Levite of Grace and I feel dodo eka ho many more no ho na Esther ho said open many more on Levels of Grace no nka ho na many more no ho na wo o se ka na hu se ye de afidie eba be si emia na de atwetwe dom no afi mafie mu na ye de makoye adwumadi ase ka na hu se onyame be ma ne nsa so ayaresa beba enkroni beba engosra ebehwe agu ema nyame adi nkonim ama bolensam anim agu ase ne se enti brabi na benya oje ne fa hodie nukwase be wom ne se ulmi Grace asore so na mo yom ne ma nyina dada eda yewie nukwase eda no ene bebo afore 5th November ebe affordable chenchireche mega annual harvest no anopa no nkro pepepe netumi che dwumadi nasena die ntia ye bo afori ene se Grace de wunim da no wo mo bo afori wo mo ani wo mo anum wo mo de boy papa we so ye hwe na ye de asidan chenchireche amanfo beda onyankopɔn adomache de odi amom no obeda na di papa unse dano a Nebukadnezar epe mnanti osekɔ Israel fo ni nakɔpɛ wɔn a enim nyansa wɔn etimi tworo wɔn etimi ekimi cheche ne ma ase enti grace for so de ne say to the establishment of a multi-purpose talent and skills development center for the children or when you mpanyifo no when you men's relationship there where your children as a dachi be Chris ewo eye ensuade hunu say emofran be nya be abɛhyɛ wɔn nan mu enti ebo afore ne nyina no de aboa asi eye multi-purpose talent center e de ama eye emofran no come one come all harvest asemtie da so say oh Lord restore our fortune yankopon nema afafo yensase na ahwere ye no mensa entumi enka bia no ebe Grace Presbyterian asodan mu horma akropon akuapem bra na bidua na yankopon onhye wanem papa Grace no yebeba na yesu abenya adom no ebi eno achi ena no pe ye awie ye de mokoma ye Bell Eyes ene emranti eto comment na Bell Eyes na abudunsuo ensu a ye de eye nupa afrafra na ye kama ende omo na asoto ne ye de nko eye Bell Black Premium Whiskey Nicola ewo hono eno no sebe more din kakra afi ni blend no omo lemon orange and a pineapple flavor. If you want vodka mix and also 5.5 now open some papa a year say outdoor engagement any a birthday no and one a Bell Eyes na jibinum adi nyantumi konkan kama envamo okase open Sunday amen to was na mo okase open Bell Eyes dia meni beje papa hwemo chiri kwan ewo at Bell Eyes GH at Bell Eyes GH Facebook and Instagram adi nyantumi konkan ede ama yenomo yare ya ne science no modern ada na ma onsanka 3p garlic mixture 100% garlic yede enubran papa afrafra ma de nyatumi akonkan ede ama wo onya 3p na ono no sa no a etimi boa ema eti eminu esanse vitamin C ewo mu ne science wo hia so hye bia wo de be eyi ominu yene mo sa no ya ni sika be top 3p no yetanu mu so hye papa ne wo ho abu se eme weather ode aba na ma bone se aguna eno so ti eminu na mo se ne yeti minu papa no eno ane 3p garlic mixture 100% garlic ana etimbo adwuma esa no na wonuma emfaso ene yare ebesa ma no ebinie ne din kan se be ma mu immune system na timi akosoro afi high blood pressure ebehwan so area ma menstrual pain se esta no sa no ombu mo nsa mute ya wono a ebe bras no de nya timi akonkan high level sugar and so ebe brenase afi wonsa ene wonan etimi etititi yebo abakura wonte onomo a ebifi wo ma ho atumi ato obesity kasi ya murso ya na enye stroke asthma ana fi se wuntimi anwen so yi odwon so a eba se ne referee wo pon match no se ebanga kra ne sade ya na enye stress ana fi uyafuru a chichefo unya 3p no no a etimi bua made nya etimi konkan edema se pedodo ato madina Kingswalk Heba opposite inkolenu hot na behunu wono mo angel heba 4 na de adui ade aba amandwa so 0201 000021 0201 000021 and afi 0248 928824 3p garlic de yaresa and de ebre no mo afi Monke Books and Stationery Monke Books and Stationery adwumaku a eba ehoma kama yede esua ade efi basic ekopma SHS textbooks and science books no de eno aso beko Monke wo ma so anobatutu ameno ekasei na manfo asaline oje ba ko jimienu jimiensa mamenum na de nyina tumi konkan edema yeno musa furniture mu ewo Monke na kwaji books ade nyina tumi konkan efama pen pencil, eraser, calculators, A4 sheet, notebooks, exercise books, ni nyina no kwa osabi tumi akabi. One more kropo akuapem adjacent old court. Ho na mo 0551 829 365 0551 829 365 and afi 0207 225048 Monke amo papa nyina aswe ene ho. Kohwe wani so ade ewo Safari Valley Eco Park Eco Park ho ana akwa obehu obo ade ne nsa no papa send ye say weekend bi na okohwe emuadoma ahoro ntwabo ankusie empro no ne ade a omonam kwaye mu zebra yi kama fi park ho no mo say ye bo golf na ahemfie ho na asoro ho na fi yesi dan chenchini chef e fa ne pa 2000 no mu je mo ne ho no mo Safari de Esther ja da be ko no oni be je ho papa ahwa okay da kra be ko na di net me akonkan kama ati asebra na be buku sesi a na nya the magical experience ewo eco resort no emu for booking and reservation no or say free 05969143994 na di net me akonkan eje ama ye no mu enti bo mode ada se ode woni be chem ewo ye Safari Valley na di net me akonkan eje ama ye no na akonkan kama esamia we so ha yabi we no yabi yo we means ha memra so de no yabi piano ha na mia we correct ha mo na fi bra wetina ase na dwa de no fagum na yenko yanim anenti Safari Valley Eco Park was bringing closer to nature. My uncle Esther.
The boy announcement and send your grace no year and many are so palm. Sorry, I'm going to then you do see an hour banner.